I always thought the attic was just a dusty storage space, but the day I discovered the ancient typewriter, my life took a chilling turn. It was an old model, keys stiff with age, yet the moment I touched it, it began typing on its own. The clattering keys narrated my life's story with unnerving accuracy, detailing secrets known only to me. My heart pounded as the story unfolded, leading to a sinister choice, a decision I never dared to confront, one that could alter my existence forever. The tale ended abruptly with a stark ultimatum: sacrifice my dearest friend to save myself or let fate unravel without intervention. I stood frozen, the typewriter silent, its final words echoing in the dim attic. The room seemed to close in around me as I realized the machine wasn't just predicting my future, it was demanding it. My hands trembled as I backed away, knowing that the typewriter's eerie prophecy was now a shadow I couldn't escape.